How exciting! Our first remote lesson. Okay, so last session we went through Loftus and Palmer study. Okay, so today is kind of just consolidating that work. So the first thing I want you to do is to have a go at the Kahoot. This will kind of reinforce all the key pieces of information. I've sent you the link, I think, in the email. Okay, but it's here on this PowerPoint as well. So just do that. Okay, look at the wrong answers if you get any to see the correct ones. I will then be able to see your score and see if there's any commonalities in all your errors, if there are any, and I will then do something about that if there is anything. Okay, so do that first. So next, and the kind of main part of the lesson, is these exam questions, which we're kind of pretty used to kind of doing now. First one, describe ways in which Loftus and Palmer studies considered a lab experiment. Remember, there's two parts to this. Okay, you got to tell me why it's a lab and why it's an experiment. Obviously, add your context. B, pretty standard. One weakness of experimental method. Add your context. Question C. This is a tricky question. My hint is to think about why they did experiment 2. And then lastly, again, standard question, P paragraphs, add your context. So take 13-14 minutes to do these, type them up, email them to me, and I'll kind of get back to you as quick as I can with the feedback. Okay, so do that now, and once you've done that, please go on to the next slide for the research task. Okay, I've had to change things up a little bit of what I would normally do. So we spoke in the last session about interesting cases of people. So there's 3 here about when their memory's kind of gone wrong. So don't spend loads of time on this, but research what happened to them, what deficiencies did they have, what were the reasons for it. So you can just see how interesting kind of memory is, because it is a really interesting kind of argument. Okay, as always, if you've got any questions, let me know. And I'll speak to you, type to you, see you again soon.